In less than 24 hours, I'm going to be in San Diego, California.
Awesome. Freaking around.
I'm not dressed for this, bro. Oh yeah, here we go.
Oh, that's
perfect fit. Made it to motherfucking Cali. I checked the weather. It's like 70 and sunny the entire week, dude.
Usually there's like a cloud.
Oh yeah, you see a cloud in the sky, you're like, nah, I'm staying in for the day.
It's already Welcome to my house.
Oh my god, it's so cute.
She's trying to get spun. I got a rack in the backyard if you want to live. I mean, we'll get the...
Oh shit, dude, yeah, you got the little pump before we go out.
Absolutely.
This isn't real grass.
No, turf.
What the fuck? That's right. Oh, you guys have to water it.
A lot of sex rolls around and I apologize.
Just, I'll keep an eye out for him, don't worry.
Done.
Shower is complete. I'm still running on like 3 hours of sleep, but it's fine. We're gonna go pick up a new bike for CJ.
Max, say hello to the vlog. This is Matt.
That's me. Hi. There's a cool guy. Alright, let's go get you a bike. In and out first.
In and out first.
In and out first.
People have two views on it. They're either going to say it's the best thing in the entire world or it's super overrated. We need to take this one by one. Woo.
What are these called? Double.
Double, double.
Double, double.
Double, double. Double, double.
First time trying In and Out. 3, 2, 1. It was delicious. 10 out of 10. I thought it was good.
I'm going to cry.
Me too.
Oh man, I'm so fat now.
You excited? That's a dirt bike, bro. That's not even street legal. I see a CB 500, Ninja 400. Oh, it's a ZX4 double R. Dude, this thing's a screamer. Oh, dude, there it is. ZX10 right there, baby.
ZX10?
Yeah, it's purity.
I almost started on a 650 instead of the R6.
I don't like these for the panel gaps that they got right there, but
Yeah.
damn, these California prices, dude. That's actually, this is Suzuki. This is the new 8S. They just came out with this. This is basically an MT-07. It's not a bad option, but definitely
Spend 10 grand.
this is brand new. Yeah, this is like, yeah, not.
I'd do it for 7. I would not do it for 9.
You want a bike that'll never die on you? KLR 650.
That's pretty sick.
But for 8 grand,
Let's see if we can run over and grab a Grom from somewhere else. Or like one with something with the used section.
Going back to the Grom.
Yeah, like a 6 grand. Like again, I'm trying to keep it around 5. So like,
Drop a quick 13 for these straw.
Jesus.
That's
I guess I'll have to be the coolest car in the parking lot.
Okay, Mr. Big Dick over
What
here.
can I say? Oh no, it's very small. You can look it up. It's not.
Oh!
That's my favorite thing. I can make dick jokes about how small my penis is because you could just Google it and see I'm lying. It's great.
Why we had this talk?
It's a thing not most people can do. I never have to worry about people leaking my dick pics.
Oh, that's true. That is nice.
No one can blackmail me.
That freaks me out, yeah.
That's cool. I like that one.
I have R7.
R7, dude?
I'd go with an R7. I had an R6, then an R1. I don't know if I'd meet the middle ground.
I know you said MT-07, and it's literally the same machine with the exception of its body panels and its front fork. Believe it or not, you get a better front fork out of the R7 because you get the inverted telescopic with the option for preload adjustment from the factory. Whereas with the MT-07, you have 0 front fork adjustment.
All right, have a good one.
It's been a pleasure, sir.
Make
Thank
some
you.
memories.
You've been awesome. Thank you very much. Bike that we're going to be renting for today. Finally, right? Just about time. Do you have ABS disabled?
I have it on.
Oh, how'd you slide the...
The bike is off.
Oh, really? I didn't know that's how it works. I thought it just works anyway.
Fuck it, dude. Whatever.
Be fine. Hey, you know, if it fucks up, content.
Yeah.
that's what I always tell myself. I'm like, hey,
I
but
might have to bring this to BMW.
it's expensive out here.
Huh?
It's expensive out here. We were just at a dealership, dude. Everything's marked up. I'm like, what the?
No, it's bad, bro.
I like these stickers though. These are dope. You got the S1000 on it, dude. It's freaking sweet. I'm gonna get myself one of these. Oh wait. Oh wait. I already have one. Ah, that doesn't make any sense. I'm fucking tired. I gotta fucking sleep and sit. Oh my god. I feel like I'm legitimately losing my mind. It's awesome.
Do you have extra batteries by chance?
I have a million extra batteries.
Mind if I steal them from mine?
Do you have a 360?
Yeah, I got a Max.
Oh fuck yeah! I got an extra battery.
I'm just gonna get this on the helmet.
I've seen it been done, dude.
I got a helmet on, which means I can do anything right now. Anything? That's how it works. Literally can't die. I don't want to jinx it, but check this out. Ready? Hair dryer
And GoPro.
and go. Should we grab a cart?
No.
I'm gonna grab a basket.
Oh, goodness.
Oh,
Grab.
2 baskets?
You could say a basket case.
There we go. I didn't struggle with that. I don't know what you're talking about.
There were people pointing at us.
Are there?
They were. I don't know if they still are. We turned our backs to them.
I think I need some revelations.
They're like, they're stealing.
Dude, every time I come in with a helmet on, they're like, gotta take your helmet off. I'm like, why? You used to make us wear masks in here all the time. What's the difference?
Here's the thing. We could go across the store and talk to each other.
That's kind of cool, actually.
It is. You gotta really strap this up, too. Don't forget.
Yeah, I'll strap it up before we leave.
No, you won't.
I will, I promise.
I hope so.
What?
Connect
What's
it.
that for?
It's so if you get in a wreck, your pinky doesn't get torn off.
That's probably good.
Statistically, it's supposed to help or something. I don't know. I saw a girl get her fingers torn off last summer, though, so that's why I wear these.
Wow.
Yeah.
Jeez.
I mean, she was driving drunk or something, but that's just why I do that.
Why would you ride drunk? Such a
There's a
bad
lot of
idea.
people that do that.
I don't, dude, my dad, like one of his bartenders at his bar was driving drunk or riding drunk.
Oh, wait, no, I think it's over here. Are you looking for the GoPro stuff?
Oh yeah, I need a mount.
Oh. Well, they're not over here like they are at my Target. I don't know why I assumed it would be the same fucking thing, but it should be in the locked boxes somewhere.
I don't think the mounts would be. I don't need an actual GoPro. I just need the.
Well, that's where the mounts are.
Oh. I guess yeah.
It's like a mounting kit. Oh, this is your Target. Why am I looking for these?
I don't know, dude. Fuck.
I thought you would just
Could it be
know.
by the- I don't go to Target.
Oh my
I
god.
go to Walmart. What do you think I am, rich? I go to Walmart.
Yes.
You're the one with the GoPro bag. You should just like gravitate towards it, you know?
Let me use my
I would
powers real
think
quick.
on that wall. Oh, sorry. That wall, probably.
They got iPhones back there.
That's not what I need. Damn, might have to run to Best Buy.
Yep. I'm not seeing no GoPro.
I think she might be able to answer our questions. Do you guys sell GoPro mounts by chance?
Let me look it up really quick.
This is your social interaction for the day.
Just the one. Oh no.
If we had any, they're all showing out of stock, but I think if we had any, they're gonna be an F1, which is right over in the next aisle. And then if it's like locked up or something, there's a red button on the table and you can press it and someone from tech will be able to unlock it.
Bro, you take my club off. There we go.
You okay?
Yeah, I'm just turning my music off. Still have music on.
Fucking blasting music. Do you have earplugs?
No,
Oh my god.
I don't use them, bro. My hearing's not good enough that I need them. Why did we just walk right past the aisle that she said that it would be in?
What aisle did you? I thought she said like F1 or something. This is F20.
Wait, didn't she? Yeah, I thought she said. But that's F7. That's F1 right there. We're going the wrong way.
Oh.
This guy. It's okay. I mean, I just followed you. So,
It was too much pressure. I couldn't understand.
would you like me to read you a Dr. Seuss book?
I thought we looked at this aisle though. We didn't see anything.
Do we go down it?
Oh, there's the camera stuff. Oh.
Maybe a Polaroid? That takes good video.
Oh, there's a GoPro battery. Alright.
No worries. We can.
Best Buy is probably gonna be a best bet.
Yeah, probably Best Buy. Okay.
Oh
hair blow dryer.
wait. I have mounts. I have one extra mount.
Oh, okay. That works.
We didn't need to spend all this time looking for one. I forgot I brought an extra.
That's okay.
As long as I'm still awake, I can still fucking party. So
You tell me. I'll go until you're good.
there's gonna be a point where I'm just gonna be like, bro, I can't do
I
this
need
no
to get
more.
like a deep thing or like a microfiber to clean this shit, dude.
If you wax it, it won't do that.
Really? What do you wax it with? I wouldn't do it.
You need something salty and like creamy.
I think I can make that work. Got a surplus. I've been collecting it actually in a jar.
Oh,
You might
love
think
it.
it's a candle.
Oh,
but
I forgot. We also came here because I need well, not shampoo. I need soap that won't make me smell like a girl that you got sitting in the shower.
oh, I only have girly smelling shampoos.
Girly smelling shampoo, an actual stick of deodorant because I only have the tiny ones.
Okay.
Toothpaste and just like basic toiletries and shit.
Cool. That'll be over here.
Good thing you brought the basket. Maybe that was a good idea.
I only use girly smelling products. I feel like that's what girls actually
Wait,
want to smell.
is that? I thought that was like some girl who stayed in that bathroom before me.
Fuck no, dude.
Oh,
I like
really?
to smell nice and fresh.
Really?
Pretty fresh.
I felt like that shit was like.
Why do you think girls use shampoo like that? Because they like the smell. I'm actually gonna grab an extra toothbrush while we're.
Oh! I forgot too. I was gonna grab
Oh my god, they have the Paw toothbrushes.
what?
The Paw Patrol toothbrushes. I'm just kidding. I don't need one of those.
I love the they have a smaller one though?
I've got
Oh, they
mouthwash. If you need mouthwash,
Okay, I got it.
I use one of these. Okay.
I like the non-alcohol. That shit tastes like straight alcohol mint, and it's
Yeah,
horrible.
that's true. Well, I don't know what alcohol tastes like, so nice.
I gotta smell like a
Spice is
man.
good. I use the same deodorant.
And then there's,
Do you need sunblock for your pale vampire skin
might have
from
walked
being in
past it.
Ohio in winter?
Yeah. You know what? I'm not exactly on a roll tonight.
It's okay. You've had a long day.
Body, face wash, shampoo, and conditioner. Perfect.
Oh my goodness. Car oil too.
Get the fucking 20 in one.
Mm-hmm.
That's my type of shit, dude.
Dish soap, car oil,
Oh yeah.
wiper fluid.
Just add it on there.
That's how you know you smell like a man.
Oh, one more thing.
Yes.
No, I'm just racking up the items tonight. Oh,
Maybe that's-
she was pointing at the. Yeah.
That's probably what you
Where's the cheapest one? That one's pretty cheap.
20? 20?
This one's
Oh, or
16.
the pink one. That works.
So it's got
For
some
smooth
heat
and
settings.
effortless.
That's good. Okay. Hair dryer acquired. Just face lotion. That doesn't suck.
I mean, again, I've got really nice face lotion. It's called Rebalance.
Wait, do you actually? Oh,
You can just use that if you want.
might. I don't use
I
a
have
lot.
a 14-step intricate face wash routine every night.
Okay, I don't do that much, but a little bit of. I might use a little bit of face lotion if that's alright with you.
Oh my gosh, dude, you can step up your volume. Your volume.
The only thing I want to step up is size.
Hey, yo. All right, we'll get a penis pump for you over here.
Really?
No, I already got one for you. Don't worry.
You disinfect first.
What do you think I am? How dare you? How dare you? Should I grab a Red Bull? No.
No,
Oh.
I'm gonna be in bed in like an hour.
Yeah.
You're gonna have to carry me to bed, dude. I'm gonna be.
Dude, I got so much work I
Hold
got to
on.
do tonight.
Rephrase.
Been holding
I'm gonna be out like a rock.
one of those open.
Yes.
Awesome.
The bag is just for theater. I'm gonna put it in my backpack. It's just to show that I'm paying for everything. Don't
I'll
worry
pay
about
for
it. No, shush.
No, you got lunch. You got lunch. You got
No,
lunch.
this is
There's
all
the
my
pillow.
stuff, bro.
Yeah, but where's it gonna go after you leave?
Probably back in my bag. Is this a check
Yeah.
bag?
That's a good point.
I didn't know that you could just do that for check bags. So,
Yeah, you just gotta be careful because like shit'll explode being pressurized.
how many bags were used? There's bag fees here.
Yeah, it's California.
How much are they?
5 cents.
Oh, well, that's fine.
They're like, oh, if we charge 5 cents for bags, no one will use them. Pretty sure it was just to make more money.
Yeah, I think it's just to make more money. Charging for bags is fucking ridiculous. They don't do that in Ohio. Oh wow.
Well, don't you
See.
guys just like throw plastic straws at lakes and stuff? You know. I mean, Ohio doesn't even really exist, so.
All right, let's go. Have a good one.
Thank you very much. Wait, Matt, can you hold these for a second?
Yes, sir.
I'm just gonna buckle my helmet.
Oh yeah. Don't want to die.